Do you remember the drywall that I picked up from Home Depot a couple weeks ago? Right now it's early June 2022 here in Huntington Beach, California. And the contractor showed up to do the tile work in this beast of a vehicle. So I'm gonna get into more detail on this. He just bought it. It's a Chevy. But one of his tile guys showed up in this little beast. Ford Maverick work truck. So I'm going to be able to show you some actual work truck activities. When these guys showed up to do the tile work, you could probably hear that tile saw in the background just stopped. I got so excited because they came over in this Chevy 2500 4x4. It's beautiful black color. Has tow hooks and big steps, all the accessories. Oh, and an 8-foot bed, not a 6.5-foot bed, but a full, complete 8-foot bed to load plywood, drywall, siding, whatever you need. All of his tile accessories, backer board, whatever. Plus they came in this Maverick XL. It's a all-wheel drive version, Area 51. So I couldn't resist. I had to just line them up next to my hybrid Maverick with Lux package and 360 co-pilot, front wheel drive in Alto Blue, and next to my Maverick turbo charged, just like the Area 51 is turbocharged. I got it in the XLT version with the Lux package, co-pilot 360, and 4K tow. What a great lineup for you to see. All these great colors. Carbonized gray, Alto blue, and Area 51. I don't know, every time I look at each color, that gold reflecting, the deep blue reflecting, and that really beautiful bluish gray. It's hard for me to decide which color I like the best, but these are the top three in my opinion. Thanks for watching.